Welcome back to everyone. Your logistic guru has come with a new topic. Today I bring to you terminal management systems. Now let's start our topic. Terminals serve as a hubs for the loading, unloading, transshipping, and the managing goods, products, or service, acting as the creatinized control system (TMS), offers real-time monitoring, management, and the optimizations of the various terminal process of the terminal management systems. Terminal management systems several pivot process purpose purpose operational efficiencies, second resources optimization, third real time monitoring, fourth inventory management, fifth safety and security, uh, seven documentation and reporting, seventh eight customers service improvement, nine integrations with the supply chain systems. Key components of the terminal management systems. The following are the key components of a terminal management system within the brief descriptions of for each. Order management involves the processing and the tracking incoming and the outgoing the order, ensuring accurate and timely ex- executions of the taxes related to the movement of the goods. Warehouse integrations incorporates the terminal operations with the warehouse management system, ensuring a coaches flow of the informations and the activities between the terminals and the warehouse, transporting the planning process on the optimizing the movement of the goods to and from the terminal, involving route optimizations, carrier selections, and the scheduling for the efficient the transportation operations. These the components collectively contribute to the holistic management of the terminal operations, providing the unified and the streamlined approach to the handling orders, integrating the warehouse process and the planning transportation efficient effective. And types of terminal management systems: called the based TMS operation and on the cold infrastructures, offering the flexibilities, the scalability, and the accessibility from the various devices with the quick implementations and the automatic the update on premise TMS installed and operated directly on the organizations, several providing the great control over and system dates suitable for the industries with the specific the security of the compliance requirements. If you are the new to this channel, then the please and subscribe and like and comment. Thank you.